Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Michael. Welcome to MC Nigeria Face. You guys already see me smiling, so I have good news for you. So today is the first day of me trading 100k accounts in my life. Yes, I told you guys about the FundedNext challenge. So let me just explain the rule of the challenge. The rule of the challenge states that you can only trade 5 lot size per currency pair. That means if you want to trade one euro USD, if you enter 5 lot size, you cannot enter any other lot size again. So it's kind of restricted, you understand, because you can actually use 5 lot size in 5 different currency pair. So you guys, I told you guys I trade just GU and EU only, but now it's pushing me to trade other currency pair because so I maximize my limit of the lot size as far as I'm using proper risk management. So today is Monday and I took my first official trade and we made 1.5%. Although we first of all made 2%, then emotion came in. I'll explain in the ending how the emotion came in. Emotion came in and I lost $500. I actually made $2,000 first, then I lost $500. So now I made more than that, but I came out too early. My first trade was USD card. Went 1 to 1 to 7 hour. I used 1 to 7. I used 4 pip stop loss. Yes, you trading ICT setup. I'm gonna show you guys the trade breakdown after this. But yes, that was that. Then I traded Euro USD and GBP USD. You can see this from the screenshot here. I predicted that both of them are gonna go 1 to 5 hour, but I came out 1 to 1 hour. Even Euro, it was barely 1 to 1 hour because price was slowing down when it was going to New York session, and there was a news coming out New York session. And instead of me just being patient or just maybe protect or like go break even and allow the trade to run, I was trading like a $10 account and I closed all the position because that's what I usually do when I'm trading my small accounts. Although it's actually good because I'm using risk management, but the trade management was not right. That was what happened today. The trade management was not right. I thought this is a big account. So when you're trading a big account, go break even or take partials instead of just like closing everything, because the day was just starting and I was just in 1 to 1 hour for Euro and GDP, but for USD card, it went 1 to 7 hour. I was happy with that. That was what made me my first $1,000 of the. What's up, guys? So on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I'll be saying everything at once because for each of those days, although I took trades and I wasn't able to like document at the end of the day, just as I did on Monday. So okay. Now, on Tuesday, I had a winning trade also. Wednesday, I had a winning trade. I think at the ending of Thursday, I was up 10%. If you want to see the trades and the screenshots of those trades, you can go to my community on YouTube. I usually post them at the end of the day that, okay, these are my trades and how many percent I was. So, I was following my rules, doing proper risk management and like just focusing on good setup, finding my A+ setup and just trading to it. Then I was up 10%. That was my target for the week. And coming to Friday, which was NFP, I was, how will I put it, I won't say too confident. I lifted myself too high, and I just woke up around 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. I was just so anxious to trade. And although the NFP week, some people usually say was usually bad, but for me, the week was good because I was just looking for the right setup, like what I trade only. Then I woke up around 2 a.m., 3 a.m., and I went to gold and I saw that gold was up, and I knew that gold was going to sell. How did I know that gold was going to sell? Because if you look at the market structure, it just broke on Thursday, it broke Wednesday high. So I knew that it was at least going to retrace, even though because I was anticipating to buy for the NFP, although NFP sold. Understand? So I was trying to find the good POI on the 4-hour time frame to sell, but I was impatient enough wait for the POI. Then I just pressed sell. That's one thing I want to talk about in this video. Like, nobody is perfect, but you have to be perfect, because right now my accounts have been breached. They said in their website, you can see it's balance based, but when I went 5% daily drawdown, they said my account had been breached. So it's actually equity based, not balance based. Because if it's balance based, I would have used my whole $10,000, and that was not the plan. I got stopped at $5,000, and I said I got breached. So if I knew that I would have gotten breached, I would have came out, because there was a time I was down 1,000, 2,000. I should have come out from the trade. Gold is crazy. So the fair value gap, I was impatient to wait for it because I wanted to go to bed back. But I was just like, I don't want to miss this sell, and I just sell. It was not my trading time, it was not my trading plan, it was not my trading setup, nothing. I was just like, if at least it got to the fair value gap, at least it would have been part of my trading plan, because most of my point of interest are fair value gaps that I target in the market. So what am I trying to say here? Just one thing can spoil everything. Just one thing can spoil everything. Monday was great, Tuesday being disciplined, Wednesday. So yes, I said nobody's perfect, but you have to try to be perfect, because if you are just as if you are building something, then one day you just decide to relax and just relent, that day you can use it to spoil every other days, because that's what happened to me. Because I was up 10%, 90% of traders don't pass 10%. Out of 100k, I was part of the 1,000. You can see I was part of the 1,000, and then I just woke up and feeling too hyped, too big for the market. And once again the market humbled me, once again telling me that, oh, MC9J, yes, I know you are getting this thing, but you have to do it accordingly, not just do it randomly. You understand? So I watched a video on YouTube. He said the consistency you are looking for in the market is doing the same repeated thing all over and over. Like now, every time I wake up in the morning, mark my midnight New York open. You always see it on my videos, on my screenshots. You can follow my Twitter page, link in the description below. You always see it on my charts. Then observe accumulation, manipulation, distribution, manipulation. I want to see the accumulation below or above. That's how my strategy for, like, every day looking for the same thing. And I did it on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I was just so bored, and I was like, let me just do something else and see where it got us. We are out of the account and we are down. So what I learned is you have to continue doing the repeated thing that is making you achieve that thing. Like, trading is boring when you already find out what works. You just have to keep doing that boring thing, because if you try to do here and there and complicate things, you won't be getting it. You understand? I'm in the position whereby right now my psychology is my medication level, trading plan, everything is on check. My risk management, my trade plan management, everything. But this psychology, it will take time, and I knew it will take time. Understand? When it happened, I was angry, and I was like, God, and I was like, what the fuck? They said FundedNext said it's balance based, and right now they're using equity. I mean, it's me that don't understand what the English is. So we're out already in 1 week, but I knew if only I knew that it was not balance based, I would never have allowed myself to cross that 5k. I would never have allowed myself to cross that 5k. It has happened, and apart from that, the main lesson out of this story was stick to what works, stick to what, like I used ICT setup to take the account to 10% in 4 days. Then I just traded not ICT strategy, I just traded randomly, just trying to sell, and yeah, is what happened. So that's happened already. We've learned our lesson. Although I'm tired of, I'll tell you guys the truth, I'm tired of learning lessons. So if I'm tired of learning lessons, then I need to always be at my feet, like always on check every time that, okay, are you doing the right thing? Because if you don't do the right thing, market will keep on bullying you. Understand? So that's that on that. And next week I have a small account I want to trade. Let's see if we can trade the CPI. Anything that comes out from this, maybe we'll get a funded account, because 5k or something. Because bro, I can't trade demo. Like, Tremo is boring. Them I don't learn anything from them. Like I need to always be in the live market because that's where we learn from the market. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later. Do well to like and subscribe if you enjoy my rant. All right. Peace out.